What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today we're doing Tom Hardy's haircut from the new Venom movie. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna go through the haircut. I'm gonna break it down, what I'm gonna do now. We're gonna skim through the whole thing and then we'll come back at the end and break it down. But I'm going to use probably like a number 4 guard or so right in through here, because it's got like not like a super short buzz, does have some, you know, some hair worked in through here, all the way throughout this side and the other side. And the top is just kind of like a little bit of a kind of messy textured look. You know, he's got some pieces coming down through here. Not really a super crazy, you know, haircut. I have gotten requests for it. So let's get into the cut and see what we got going on. Okay guys, so I'm going to talk about the styling part of this. I'm going to use shadow for this particular style, and in the movie his hair is most of the time kind of like disheveled or slicked over to the side. So shadow right here is kind of like a nice grit pomade. It starts off like a cream, very light consistency. You work it through your hands and it's very easy to work through, and then as it starts to absorb into your hands and into the hair, it goes from a nice, real smooth, kind of rich, creamy consistency to then creating a little bit of that light texture and that light grit to it, which is why I really love this product so much. It's really ideal for someone who's got longer hair, or you want something that's kind of light, that, you know, looks like there's some product in your hair, but you can still work your fingers through it and run your hands through it. So basically, let's kind of mess it up a little bit and dishevel it. The best way to get like that look is to use your fingertips like this kind of like a more of a raking type motion, all right? And you want to kind of mat it down this way. If you don't want volume in your hair, literally pet your head like this, almost like a dog, and just push it down towards the scalp this way, so you're making it lay a lot flatter to the head. So breaking down the haircut, what I did is you started with a number 4 guard right in through the side area, right in through here, number 4, and I just worked my way up here, then did scissor over comb by hand, and this is probably about, I'd say, 2.5 inches right into this area and through here. Did the same thing all the way throughout the back and through here. It's got a nice kind of taper. This is pretty kind of a normal standard type haircut. Everything is all just connected and blended in. And I did go in through the hair and use thinning shears at the end to kind of give it a little more texture, remove some of that excess weight in through here, blow dried it, and then I used shadow, as you can see, to style it. And here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live 3 times a week. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the haircut. I'd love to know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.